morning guys, dito tayo ngayon sa NAIA Terminal 2 para sa flight natin for later at 11:05 p.m. Darating tayo sa Cebu around 12 or past midnight. And we are gonna be meeting our college friends. So we are going to see them later. Update nyo lang kayo after pagdating. We are about to board now the flight kasi mag 10:10. It's 10:04 and 11 yung flight natin. So, alis na tayo. And ito yung aircraft natin. We are boarding AirAsia. So, see you again later. Bye! So, ito na guys. We have boarded the flight. It's currently 10:18 p.m. We are expected to land at Cebu around 12:35 a.m. So, madaling araw na tayo darating doon. Hopefully makatulog tayo dito sa biyahe. And bukas biyahe din tayo doon. Ito lang. I'll update you later. Good morning Cebu! Kinagagalak kong makita ka muli. Dito tayo ngayon sa SM City Cebu.
Ang patas.
Taste test guys. Lutong test.
Sarap.
Guys, boarding na kami ngayon sa Hagnaya Port. Say hi, Paolo. Hi. Hi vlog. Hi vlog. Hello guys, dito tayo sa Bantayan. Kararating na namin. So, sakay na kami ngayon sa van papuntang Kota Beach.
Tapos on the way ko, iba na ko.
Papunta kami sa aming service sa Kota Beach. Hindi ko mag-resolve ako. Yeah. Kami ay on the way na to our resort. Bana. Guys, this is our room. I'm gonna be touring you to our room which we are gonna stay. So we are currently on the 3rd row for the cottage, and this is the place. guys, punta kami ngayon sa cliff jumping.
Ano nga ba to? But nahubas na.
Medyo matagal lang lakad, so mainit.
Enter, do not enter.
Doon na guys, pauwi na kami. Ay, hindi, papunta na kami sa next stop namin is Bygod Lagoon, coming from Virgin Island. Marami kami ng pawikan.
Si Beauty Gonzales. Hawak siya ngayon.
Guys, we are on our way to our second destination, Bygod Lagoon.